dear students, welcome back in our today's mathematics class. Students, we have done till 9.3 exercise and today we are going to start our next exercise 9.4, which is again very simple, the same type of question we have in this also, like multiply the terms, multiply the expression. Right student? So very first question we have multiply the binomials. Binomials why it is mentioned because see, it has two terms. In one bracket there are two terms, one bracket there are two terms. So you have to solve student. These two brackets are there. And as you know, in our exercise 9.3, we have only one term outside the bracket. And that will multiply with each and every term inside the bracket. Right? If you have only one term outside the bracket and inside one whatever terms are there, that it will multiply with each and every term. Yes student, and in the same manner if we have two terms outside, then both the terms will multiply with both the terms of inside one. This is the basic only of multiplication, right? So let's start. So first of all 2x. Take 2x and this 2x will multiply with both the terms, that is 4x minus 3, right? And then plus 5 will multiply with 4x minus 3. Right student? Now simply you will do multiplication. 2x into 4x, 8x square minus 3 2s are 6x plus 5 4s are 20x plus minus 5 3s are 15. It means all things students are just very simple. Only you have to use the rules of mathematics. That's it. Okay. Now see, we'll do plus minus x square. Only one x square we have, so 8x square. Now minus 6x plus 20x. Like terms, we can do plus or minus. So 20 minus 6, 14x. Sign will be greater digit, that will be plus, and minus 15. That's it student. Very simple question we have. Now B part. Again this first term will multiply with the whole bracket and similarly 3b will multiply with whole term, that is x plus 5. Right? Now simply we will multiply a into x, ax plus 5a plus 3b into x, 3bx plus 5 3s are 15. Now students see, all terms are different only. No like terms we have. So it means this is only the answer. That's it student. Solving the question, be vigilant about the signs. That's it. Okay. So these two parts of question number 1 are coming to our next part. Now student, sixth part. I thought I have to solve this question because this is a little bit different question amongst all the question. Okay. So according to this question student, this is a bracket and in the second bracket one term is outside the bracket already we have. So it means first of all we will solve this bracket. So this bracket will remain as it is, 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square, right? And this according to this 4 into a square, 4a square minus 4 2s are 8, denominator part will be as it is because 4 is in the numerator and 2 is also in the numerator. Right student? So everything you will do step by step, then only you will understand. Bracket solve. Now coming to our next step, that is you will multiply this first term 3 by 4 a square will multiply with this whole bracket 4a square minus 8 by 3b square, and this plus 3b square will multiply with this whole bracket. Right student? Now coming to our next step, multiply the outside one term one by one with each and every term inside the bracket. So let's start. 3 by 4 a square into 4a square minus 3 by 4 a square into 8 by 3 b square. This is the open of the bracket terms, right? Now coming to our next bracket, plus 3b square into 4a square plus minus 3b square into 8 by 3b square. Right student? Now we have to solve it. See, we have 4 in denominator, 4 in multiplication. So it will cancel with each other. what remains? 3a square, a raised to power 4 minus, see it is a multiplication, 3 will cancel out with this 3, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So it means 2a square b square. See, in one part only we have two things. We have open the bracket and second simplify the term. Right? Next plus 4 3s are 12 a square b square minus, again this 3 will cancel out with 3. Then only we can cancel if there is a multiplication sign in between. Right? So 3 will cancel out with this 3. We have 8b raised to power 4. That's it. Now see, a raised to power 4, b raised to power 4. We have a square, b square, like terms. We have to solve this term also. So after simplification, answer is a raised to power 4 minus 8, b raised to power 4 plus minus and bigger digit 12 minus 2, 10 a square, b square. The questions are very simple, student, but just you do the calculation very nicely. That's it. See, only we have the multiplication term, that's it. Okay, and at the last you have to see if the like terms are there, then only we can do plus or minus, otherwise this will be the answer. I hope student you got the concepts very simple only, and two parts, fourth and fifth part you will do by your own. This is homework for you, student. Okay, surely you have to practice, student, then only you will understand the concept. So this is all about our question number 1. Now coming to our next question. Again same question we have in question number 2, student. Find the product. Students, if you know how to multiply the term, so whatever term will come in a question, easily you will do because you know how to do the multiplication. So in this exercise only the question are increasing, terms are changing, but you have to do the multiplication only of the algebraic expression. That's it. Okay, so let's start. A square plus b, both are, we have binomials and the bracket. So first term will multiply with both the terms, and similarly second term will multiply with both the terms. First step. Second step, open the bracket. A square into a cube, plus a square into b square b square, plus b into a, plus b and b square, that is b cube. That's it, students. So this is the answer only, right? Now second part, again the same, x multiplied with 7x minus y. When you will practice, student, then you feel that how easy it is and how nicely you are solving the equation, but practice is must. Okay, so now open the bracket. 7x square minus x into y, xy, plus 7 sevens are 49 yx plus minus 7y square. All terms are different? No. We have these like terms. See, 7x square minus 7y square. This is yx, this is xy. One the same thing. 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. Same thing. In the same manner, xy, yx, one the same thing. But coefficient is, here is 49, here is minus 1. So 49 minus 1 is plus 48. xy or yx, whatever you can write. Okay, student? So this is the required answer for this question. I hope you understood, student. Please do practice for this question, then only it will be easy for you. So this is all about our question number 2. Now coming to our next question. Now student, coming to our question number 3. Simplify. Now student, again we have same question. Simplify means you have to solve the equation, right? But here we have two brackets, and along with two brackets there is plus 25 also. So plus 25, it's not included into the brackets because it is another term, right student? So let's start the solution. First of all, the very first term, x square, will multiply with x plus 5. In the same manner, minus 5 will multiply with x plus 5. And this plus 25 term will remain as it is because it's not included into the bracket, right? Now solve it. X cube plus 5x square minus 5x plus minus 5 5s are 25 and plus 25. Now student, simplify, solve it. Plus 25 minus 25 cancel. Now here no terms are same, so it is 5x square minus 5x plus x cube. So your choice in which form you will write the answer. So this is the first part. Now coming to our next part, again the same type of question. So a square with multiply with the second bracket plus 5b square plus 3. It will be plus 5. Right student? Now it will multiply with inside. A square into 3 is a square, 3a square, right? Plus 5b square, 5 3s are 15 and plus 5. Now solve it. A square b square plus 3a square only one term plus 5b square only one term. Now constant you have 15 plus 5, that is 20. It means whatever things you have, you just simplify it, solve it. Right student? So this is question number 3, first and second part. Now coming to our next part. Now student, third part. See how much long calculation it is. But you need to be focused on the terms. That's it. Whatever term, how much short and long, but you just focus on the calculation. That's it. See, first of all, a plus b and c minus d. These two brackets, they will multiply with each other. It means a will multiply c minus d plus b will multiply with c minus d. This is plus. So it means this is another term, this is another term. So it will be plus a will multiply with c plus d and minus b will multiply c plus d. Again it is plus and this, it means it is another term. So it will multiply with 2 is outside, so it will be multiplied 2ac plus 2bd. Student, as you can see the question, ultimately you will get how to do. But you have to practice for that. That's it. So let's start. A into C, AC minus AD plus BC minus BD. Again plus AC plus AD. Here is minus BC plus minus minus BD plus 2AC plus 2BD. Now this much long terms we have, so we will simplify. Like terms we will add or subtract, otherwise this will be the answer. Let's check it out. AC, any other AC is also there? Yes, one AC, one more AC. Any other AC? No. Yes, this is also AC. So AC plus 2AC, it means 4AC. Next AD, 1 AD plus minus 1 AD plus AD, they will cancel. Another AD is there? No, no another AD. Next plus BC, this is plus BC minus BC, cancel out. Minus BD and this is plus 2BD. So minus BD plus 2BD, plus minus minus, so plus 1BD.
1 minus BD is also there. So when we'll cancel out these plus BD minus BD, then we'll get answer 4AC. Got student?
That's it. So student, this is the answer. To be vigilant while solving with this sign. Different sign, they will cancel because answer is 0. Right student? So this is all about our third part. Student, please my humble request, do practice. Then only you will understand the concept. This is the third part. Practice by yourself 2 or 3 more questions, that is 6th, 7th, 8th part. Your choice student. So these two parts are homework for you, for the better understanding of this concept. This is very simple concept, right? So student, with this question, we have end up with our exercise 9.4. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much for watching student. Bye-bye and take care.